Hey, what's going on, everybody? Aaron here from The Solar Edge. Really quickly, just wanted to share a success story from one of our recent clients. Actually only been a client for about 3 weeks at this point. Got everything kicked off, and I wanted to reach out and see how everything was. So he said, yes, last few days have been absolutely nuts. Got my follow-up guys on it. 4 home consultations set up for this week so far. Got a few people still to call, and got the go-ahead today for an 8 kilowatt residential install, guys. 8 kilowatts, around $18,000 job, give or take, depending on the credits and then the local stuff that was going on. But yeah, guys, I mean, at first he was super skeptical coming in. We had a conversation. He was saying that he was working with other companies before, didn't see the results he wanted. He was buying, I'll keep it PG here, he said he was buying crappy leads and they weren't qualified, they weren't really, he would give them a call and they basically didn't know where they got their information. So, you know, we have done a couple different things to really make sure that each of the leads come in qualified. They're not people that you're gonna randomly call and they don't know how you got their information. They come in with name, phone number, email, credit score, making sure that the homeowner and other qualifications based on, you know, the qualifications that we wanna put into place. So if you guys have any questions, I definitely wanna jump on the phone with some of you guys that own solar companies and that are in the solar industry that are looking to take it to the next level. If not, that's totally cool too. But we're constantly reaching out and trying to help more people, trying to get solar onto more homes, and overall just reduce that carbon footprint throughout the US and around the world. So if you have any questions, definitely leave them down in the comments or shoot me a DM. I'd love to jump in a conversation with you. And yeah, Jeremy, you killed it. Congratulations, man. And yeah, have a great weekend, guys. We'll talk soon.